The snake. Start by inflating a balloon with a 3-finger tail at the end. Create a loop just shorter than your hand. Twist it into the knot and pull the knot through the loop 2 times. Create another loop slightly shorter than the first, and this is the snake's mouth. Next, the eyes. Inflate a small part of the balloon, twist halfway along, and tie the 2 ends together. Insert the eyes above the bigger loop and pull the tail in between the 2 loops. This creates the snake's tongue. Now fold and squeeze the tail of the balloon, creating the snake's body.